Good morning, my friends, and welcome to the Breakfast Club. My name is Darren Hancock, and I'm your host today here in the NASDAQ. Once again, Friday. No, it's not Friday. It's Wednesday. Sorry. Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024. I have to turn my coffee cup around. Get her started. All right. Here we go. Hope you're all doing wonderful out there, all having a great day. I noticed there's lots of messages there on Telegram. I have not got to them yet this morning. I will get to those. Hope you're all doing well and that your day's starting off delightfully. Here we are live. All right, well, no one's in yet. 606 subscribers. Wow. We're doing something right. The DHDC combination, I think it is. And what do we have going on here? All right, let's start over here. What in the Lord was this morning? Wow. That literally went straight up and ripped all the way down to where I was looking for yesterday. Is that not delicious or what? Wow. All in literally 1 minute. One minute. Incredible. Look at that opening candle. Well, that's 29. This is the opening candle right here. That's delicious. Okay, let's get started. Yes, well, ES is heading to where I wanted it to go yesterday, and so I've got no other comment other than we're going for these lows. I'm waiting for this for a week or two now, waiting for it to get back down here. So Dow Jones, it's finally taking all its lows. NQ about to take its lows. So I'm looking for, if this rejection block holds, this will be another one of those reject, come back up into this order block, and then go sideways here, and then finally have that big plummet down that we're looking for in April for this fair value gap fill. So that's what I'm looking for. Still, I was calling this direction back here, and we've come back down and tapped it multiple times, well, 3 times at least now. Are we going to continue to run through? So if this ends up turning into a wick and we start pulling back into that range again, we'll look for a reversal to happen and then continue down to take out this rest of these lows and fill this fair value gap down here. Otherwise, we're pulling back into that range again. Dixie. Wow, did that ever suddenly turn on us, eh? They came back inside that BISI yesterday, went through it, closed up inside it still. We did not close below it. Interesting. And now we're running back up. So that means all these foreign currencies, there's downward pressure on foreign currencies. And we're running right through the mean threshold of this candle here. So your next objective is the rejection block. If this doesn't just suddenly just start pulling back through the mean threshold. Where this closes today, based on this candle here, will, if it doesn't take the highs out today, that is, then that'll be my thoughts on that one. Tomorrow will be a reversal candle. So if we're going to take this high out today, Thursday would be a reversal. We're looking for a run back into this range here for Thursday and Friday. So look for these lows to get taken. And then once they're taken, look for a run back into the range. Yeah, we may dig all the way down through this. Come back to this inversion again here. In euro. See how this holds right now, this breaker with a swing point here. That cleans it out. So if we lose this mean threshold right here, which I do think we're going to do, then you can expect to see a run on the rejection block, this inversion here. What a nice sweet reversal back up into the breaker. CAD blew through all these highs now, finally. See how we just keyed off this daily fair value gap here? Ran down, opened today, right down to it, get some support. See, we closed above it again. Every time you close above or below it, you start thinking, okay, I'm still bearish, I'm bullish, I'm bearish, I'm bullish. So here we closed above, so we're bullish, ran all the way back into it, stayed inside it, stayed inside it. Yes, we wicked through it, but the bodies are still respecting it here. Then it finally ran all the way up, closed again above, came back down, ran into it, just tapped it one more time before finally leaving. So how do you trade those? Good luck. The wicks would have killed you on that. New Zealand dollar. Look for a return into this fair value gap here on the daily. See if we get support off that, or if we come all the way through. If the Dixie continues to go where it's going, we're looking for these highs to get taken out. You can expect that this should run all the way down at least through here and take out its lows again. And we have this fair value gap down here yet to fill, so we could see a big push down through here into this fair value gap yet. So keep your eyes on that. Fair value gap fill, equal lows down here. So if this continues to drive through and the American dollar pushes higher, we'll see these triple lows get taken out here. Finally broke through that weekly high we're looking for the Japanese yen. Finally cleared that out. Poor Japanese yen's really losing. Over the years, it's just been losing ground like crazy. Look at this. Made a bit of a comeback in 2023, but it's just the currency's really taking a beating for sure. We'll continue to see further upside for that. I think I had that marked as a price leg. 54, 51. So retail, who was thinking this was the week that we'd still get some support off of that, we got support for 3 more weeks, lulling the retail believers that that's a support level. And a lot of people are going short on this again. Now it's finally taking them all offside and squeezing them hard, either taking their stop losses. And that's where my next objective is, up here at 154.55. Oil. We have a swing low. This is the reversal pattern right here. A body trade above it right here. You trade back down inside it. 1, 2, 3 places to enter. Start running for your highs. Last few minutes would have been really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes would have been a nice little run up there for 85, 20 somewhat cents, which is quite a lot when you look at crude oil. It pays well when you're in it, and it also beats you up really well if you're in the wrong place. So as the American dollar continues to climb, we're going to get some downward pressure on gold. Look for a return to this order block. If you lose the mean threshold of that order block, look for another run into these equal lows sitting right here, and then further downside into these imbalances. But right now, keep your eye on that order block right there. Silver, same principle. Watch for this order block here. And if we're getting downward pressure on copper, look for a return back into these old highs right here. Oh, it tapped it already. So a mean threshold of this BISI would put you right in the middle of the bodies of these candles, or a fill. So look for this to get retouched again on the downside for copper, and return to, this is what we were looking for yesterday in palladium, this impulse leg to come up and come back down for a CAM 1 model entry. You've already taken the rejection block, so the next objective is the high. So if you come down into this CAM 1 model, pull your CAM model entry from, I want to see, nobody plays in palladium. Maybe there's a couple of you out there that are trading in palladium and saying, Darren, why are you wasting your time in palladium? I just like the sound of it. Palladium. There you go. There's your CAM Model 2 entry right there, right in the rejection block of that breaker. We ran above these little highs, order block, a run up. Didn't take out those highs, but we did take out the highs behind it. So if we return back into that CAM Model 1 from high to bodies, then your CAM Model 2 would be the mean threshold right there. Nobody's trading palladium. Why am I still here? Let's move on. You guys aren't into those. Bitcoin. Bitcoin offered up some beautiful retracements last night, or early this morning. See this one here? We have a retracement. We have a reversal pattern happening right here. There's your setup. That's where your fail-safe goes in there. Oh, what a perfect zero drawdown day. You'd be just killing it right now in Bitcoin. I tell you, it's a monster to trade. When you catch a perfect entry, if you see it, man, I tell you, it's a beautiful thing. Christian through the door first this morning. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. Dave Barry, welcome. Michael is live, going to watch him. Hello, all. Okay. Well, I'll finish my analysis, and if you all go over to Michael, I'm okay with that. Carry on. Soybeans, I'm looking for a fill on that fair value gap now. Another run into here. Corn sideways, sugar sideways, coffee. Turn to this order block, fair value gap fill. We finally come back in, so this is just stepping down. Expect this to hold price and then roll over tomorrow, continue coming down. Coca futures is sideways. Still lumber's down. Looking for lumber to take out all these equal lows below it here. Lean hogs, looks like it's still on a steady, slow run up. Continue on the upside. And that's how I only just started working on this one, so let's go back here. For those who are new to the channel right now, everything that we do that's ICT, our mentor is actually live this morning, so I would recommend you go straight to the horse's mouth for all this information. He's the guy we got it all from. So if you prefer to listen to the horse, the goat as it were, you'll get it straight from him. If you want to go visit him over there on his channel, you're more than welcome to head on over because he's live right now. I'm going to write down my analysis. Well, I'm not really going to write. I mashed up my finger yesterday. But I'll try and scratch out what I think is going to happen, and then I want to see what his analysis is. I'm still saying we're coming for these lows here now. And the fill of that fair value gap. So I'm going to head over and see Michael. Hans, good morning. I hope you're having an awesome day as well. We're all going to kind of head over and see Michael, watch his YouTube channel and see how he's putting a read on the market this morning. And I will be back in when he's done. If he's done within a few hours, I'll be back with you guys right away. But until then, I will see you guys later on this morning or again tomorrow morning. Pop on over to ICT Trader. He's going to give you a live